In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Figma. By the end, your Slack workspace will be linked to Figma so you can get updates, share designs, and keep your team aligned without switching tabs. You don't need anything fancy to begin, just access to your Slack workspace and a Figma account. If your organization has app restrictions, you may need an admin to approve the installation, but the process itself is quick. Start by opening your browser and going to app.slack.com. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you continue, especially if you belong to multiple workspaces. If Slack asks you to sign in, simply follow the prompt so you can access the workspace home screen. Once you're in Slack, look for the More option. You'll usually find it in the left sidebar beneath your channels and direct messages. Click it to reveal additional options. The interface can vary slightly depending on updates, but the More menu is the quickest path to the tools you need. From the options that appear, click on Tools. This opens a set of features designed to extend what Slack can do. You're headed toward the app directory where third-party apps live. Next, click Apps. This takes you directly to the Slack app directory inside your workspace where you can search and install integrations. You'll see a search bar at the top. In the search bar, type Figma and press Enter. Look for the official Figma app in the results. It should be clearly labeled and show Figma as the developer. Selecting the correct app ensures you get the supported integration with the latest features and security updates. Click Install to begin the setup. Slack may open a confirmation page or redirect you briefly as it prepares the connection. If your workspace requires approval, you might see a note indicating that an admin needs to approve the app before it's fully installed. When prompted, click Add to Slack. This step connects your Figma account with your Slack workspace so they can talk to each other. You may be asked to sign into Figma so the integration knows which account to use. Finally, click Allow to grant the permissions requested. These typically let Figma post updates to channels, unfurl Figma links, and notify you of comments or changes. You can always review or adjust permissions later in Slack's app settings. That's it. Your Slack workspace is now connected to Figma. From here, you'll start seeing richer previews when you share Figma links, and you can configure notifications to keep design updates flowing to the right channels without extra effort.